Good afternoon, dear all. Today we are going to just solve some confusion in your maths where you just in class 1 to like suppose that 5th class up to class 5th. Suppose that you are studying in maths, you are what you solve in your maths. You solve like add, subtract, multiply and divide. There are four mathematical operations: plus, minus, multiply and divide. Whenever you do plus, minus, multiply or divide, there are only here four mathematical operations you are involved with in your mathematics books. So my dear all students, just see that if you are solve any type of sums, you just like play with your numbers. So my dear all students, juniors, just try to understand the numbers. Knowing about your numbers are the main thing for you. If you know everything about the numbers, that means what is a number? Number we are using in our maths from class 1, as you know, that you study decimal number system. My dear, now what? Decimal number system. So decimal number system starts from 0. There are only 10 digits. Only 10 digits. 0 to 9. If you count on the fingers, you will find there are only 10 digits. 0 to 9. And from all these 10 digits, you are making so many more numbers starting from 0 to like infinite. 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 100, up to 200, 300, 400, and 1000, and 2000, and lakh, and crore, and more on, so on, so on. So my dear all, you should aware with your number system. Yes, number system, your teachers always teach you that Indian number system and international number system. There are two type of number system. Yes, my dear all, international number system also there, and you can write in all these two systems. How? You suppose that these are some digits that makes a certain number in front of you. Suppose that this is a number. How will you count it and write it and pronunciate it? Like in Indian number system, my dear all, Indian number system, you always put commas after 3 digits from the right side, but after 3 digits you always put comma after 2 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits, in the last just left it. So there is a like group of 3 digits in the last, that is called ones period. This is called ones period. You always put comma after periods. There are how many periods in Indian number system? First one is ones period. Second one is not tens period. Suppose that ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. This is called place value. I am not talking about your place value, my dear. I am talking about your comma. Where you put comma in Indian number system, you always notice that you put comma after 3 digits from the right side. After that, you always put comma after 2 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits, and so on and so on. My dear, always put comma accordingly the name of periods. Always put comma after one period completed. Suppose that first period is ones period completed in 3 digits. Ones, tens, and 100 is come into the like ones period, but after that this is 1000 and 10,000 obviously in your 1000 period. Yes, 1000 period after ones period, you understand, but after 1000 period, my dear, lakh period obviously, because this is lakh and 10 lakh, so lakh and 10 lakh comes in the lakh period. LAC you can write lakh period. Also you can write LAKH, but here in short form you can write LAC lakh period. And that after crore period, crore, 10 crore, suppose that 32 crore. So this is crore period and Arab period and many more. So you need to know just about period. Period means putting comma. Just after each period you should put comma. My dear, this is called Indian number system. The example is in front of it. If you want to just read it and write its number name, you have to study it from the right side. That's 7. 1 says 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 32 crore, 53 lakh, 49,000 and 567. That's all about its like pronunciation and number name and everything. You just know about the numbers if you have so much money with your father. So suppose that, but the international number system is different from this Indian number system in the such way that here all the periods have 3 digits, not 2 digits. My dear, suppose that the same number if you will write here 3, 2, 5, 3, 4, 9, 5, 6, 7. So you will find that you always put comma after the 3 digits from the right side, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, but it need not write comma here in the last. My dear, so here you should name its period accordingly. In the same way as like Indian number system, your international number system, the rightmost 3 digit is called the ones period. In the same way, ones period. But after that, here you have written the 1000 period, but you will observe that it is also 1 says 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So this is also called in the same way 1000 period. Okay, 1000 period. After 1000 period, here is lakh period, but here is 3 digit million period. This is called million period. After that, there is billion period. Million ke baad what do you find in your maths? Million, 10 million, 10 million, 100 million. Then thereafter billion, 10 billion. 100 billion. So if you add more 3 digits in the leftmost, you will find that it is called billion period. Previous was million period, but later is what? It is called billion period. So in this way you can write its name, billion period. Its name is, my dear, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, but million, 10 million, 100 million. Billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. In this accordingly you will read it as 312 billion, 325 million, 345,000 and 567. That's all. That is how you will write the number name and pronunciate it accordingly. So that is the main difference between the Indian number system and international number system. What is its period? How you will write the number name, what is the difference. That was the short video for you all from class 1 to 5th. And this is Vikram sir in front of you. We'll meet you in the next video where you will find more clearance, more concept of your maths, and that find that you will get helped by your Vikram Jha sir on Vikram Jha YouTube channel. So that's why just take care, bye bye. Meet you again in the next video. Thanks.